Even this problem is related to Newton's law of motion. It is called the Atwood machine, which could be considered one of the techniques to calculate the acceleration due to gravity in the laboratory. Okay. The question says, the following device is sometimes used in the laboratory to measure the free fall acceleration, which is due to gravity, of course. Determine the magnitude of the acceleration of the two objects and the tension in the lightweight cord if M2 equals 10 kg and M1 equals 6 kg. So M1 is 6 kg, M2 is 10 kg, acceleration is unknown, tension is unknown to be calculated. So for system number 1, which is M1, the direction of motion is upward. See, the acceleration is upward. A is upward. We take upward to be positive. Therefore, T is upward, T, and M1G is downward, minus M1G equals MA, which is M1A. This is equation number 1. For M2, which is heavier, acceleration is downward. The direction of motion is downward, therefore take downward to be positive. Therefore, we're going to say downward driving force, which is M2G, minus tension equals M2A, and this equation is number 2. So if we add equations 1 and 2, of course, T and minus T will fade away. And we're left with the driving force, which is the heavier object, M2G, minus M1G equals the summation of the masses multiplied by A. We take A as common factor for both of them. Therefore, A, in this case, is going to equal M2G minus M1G divided by M1 plus M2. And we can take G as common factor. M2 minus M1 times G divided by M1 plus M2. So the acceleration is 10 minus 6 into G, which is 10 for convenience, of course. And we have 6 plus 10, which is 60. So we're going to get 10 minus 6 is 4, into 10 is 40, divided by 16. So it's going to be 5/2 meters per second squared. This is A. So A is 2.5 meters per second square. And now we can find tension by using either equation number 1 or 2. Let's use equation number 1. T minus M1G equals M1A. Therefore, T equals M1A plus M1G. And we can take M1 as common factor, A plus G. So we're going to get 6, and this is 2.5 plus 10. So 6 into 12.5. 6 into 12.5 is 75. And that's it.